Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I don't know what my dog is doing in the background, but today's video is going to be yet another Fashion Nova try-on haul. This one, I know I say this every time I do a haul, but this haul is my favorite. It has so many cute pieces in it and so many things that I find to be super versatile and just fun for like this kind of transitional winter-ish season. I know that in a lot of places it's like very much full-blown still winter. Here in LA it's like 75 degrees some days and like kind of 55 degrees other days, like it really depends. And then the temperature from day to night is like a 180 every single day. So I got some jackets and some sweaters because I feel like layering pieces in California are a must. You absolutely have to be prepared when it comes to the weather here because, like I said, it'll be like 50 degrees in the morning, 75 during the middle of the day, and then all of a sudden it's like 50 again. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I have on right now is this cozy set. I'm obsessed. It's a 3-piece set. It comes with this tank, this little sweater, and the pants. This is so freaking soft and comfortable. I'm obsessed with it. I've been wearing it so much, you guys. I've worn it in a few TikToks. I've worn it on Instagram, and I just feel so cute but still put together when I wear this around the house. I feel so comfy and cozy, but I also don't look schlumpy when I'm just walking around the house and like doing things. So it's really nice. I find that that's something that over the last year I've really come to love about myself, is that I really enjoy putting myself together every single day for the most part. There's like 1 or 2 days a week that I kind of just like am a disheveled mess, but for the most part, like 90% of the time, I really take pride in the fact that I put myself together. And even if it's just like comfy clothes, I still like to feel cute just for myself, even if I'm not leaving the house. So yeah, this has been a staple for me. I'm really obsessed. I love the way it fits. I believe I got a medium. I actually don't know. Yes, I got a medium in this. In all the rest of the pieces, I probably got like larges, just because I really love oversized jackets and whatnot. But anyways, we'll get to that. The next thing I got is this really cute kind of like 90s vibe crew neck sweater. It just says New York on it. It's purple, has green and white writing. I actually ended up getting this in a size medium because it's already oversized like as is, so you don't really need to size up. And this is pretty big. I feel like this would be super cute with like a pair of leggings or yoga pants, or even like a pair of kind of 90s mom jeans, a pair of Levi's, some cute little sneakers. I really like this. I feel like it's super cozy and comfy. The material is super soft. And I also don't own anything in this color, so I'm loving this. Next, I got this cardigan. I actually got it in the gray and the beige. This is amazing quality, guys. If you guys get anything from this haul, let it be this cozy set or this cardigan. Like this cardigan's, I'm obsessed. I've been wearing it for the past week, like just throwing it on whenever I can. And I've been really liking it. I like it with casual pieces, so like I threw it on, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen like I threw it on with some yoga pants and a sports bra, but you can also kind of dress it up a little bit and wear it like fully buttoned up with a pair of jeans and boots. I just love a good cardigan. I feel like you can't go wrong. I really love the buttons on this. I feel like they really make it look put together and more expensive. I don't know why. I feel like tortoiseshell buttons, to me, always look more expensive on a piece as opposed to just like the clear ones. So yeah, I really like this. This feels like something that's like from Madewell or something, or J. Crew. I don't know. This is a really great quality to me, especially for the price cardigan. Like I said, I got this in 2 colors and I've been obsessed. So far I've only worn the gray one, but really excited to wear the beige as well. Next, I got this orange jacket. So many of you guys complimented me on this jacket on Instagram. I'm obsessed. This is kind of like a shacket, I think they call it. It's like in between of a flannel, a sweater, and a jacket. It's this like squishy material. I don't know how to even explain it. Sherpa. It's almost like Sherpa, but it's really cute. I really like the pattern. I like that it's kind of beige and orange, so it's neutral but also a pop of color. And again, the buttons on this are really cool. These are kind of like pearlescent tortoiseshell. So this piece looks pretty expensive too and high quality. And I also like that the lining matches the outside, so this just looks really nice. Like I just really like this. I feel like this is something like Matilda Djerf would wear, and I really like it. Next, I got more of like a casual jacket. This is something that I would wear with athletic clothes. I would wear this to the gym, just thrown over like my leggings and sports bra to keep warm in the mornings. and it's really, really soft. It's really cozy. It's really cute. It doesn't shed, which I love. Again, it's that like sherpa material. I got a lot of pieces in this fabric. I don't know why I really like it right now. And I find too, this is just a tip, if you're shopping from like less expensive, more affordable brands, oftentimes this is a good material to go for. I feel like green is another neutral, especially this shade of green. So it's just a great throw over jacket for more casual outfits. You could wear it with sweatpants, you could wear it with leggings, wear it also with jeans and just like a normal casual outfit. But for me, I feel like I would more prefer to wear it with something sporty. But I really, really like that. I think it's super cute. And lastly, I have a few more cute jackets. I got so many compliments on this by my friends when I wore this out, but no one believed me that I got it for such an affordable price and that I got it from Fashion Nova. People thought this was like a real leather jacket with real shearling on the inside. This is so freaking cute. This is definitely one of my favorites. The only thing is, because of my chest and my body shape, it's not like the most ideal style for me in particular. But that's a me problem, not a jacket problem. Like, the jacket's so cute though. It is super flattering because of the way it's cropped. I really like it. It doesn't like overwhelm your body or anything. And I really like the green. I think it's, again, just like a cool pop of color without being too much. I wore this with like simple black Levi's and just a t-shirt and some Vans the other night. And I thought it was a really cool, comfy but still chic, just simple night out outfit. Kept me super warm without being too hot. I think if you're looking for like a nice kind of statement jacket, this is definitely one to look out for. And then lastly, I have this really cool oversized bomber jacket. This is in a size 1X. It says LA on it and it's pretty big, but it honestly looks cool that way. I think that these kinds of jackets, in my personal opinion, look cooler when they're oversized. I don't really like fitted bomber jackets. I really only like ones that I like steal from my boyfriend or I get at the flea market that are super oversized and kind of like worn in. This one's obviously not worn in, it's brand new, but it is really oversized. I feel like this with a pair of leather pants and just like a white tank and a pair of heels or a pair of Jordans would be really cool. I think it's just like a good staple, easy jacket to throw on. And if you are wearing like more of a skimpy outfit, you could wear like a little dress underneath and then throw on a big oversized jacket and you feel like more covered. And obviously in the winter when it's cold, blah blah blah, I just think it's a really cute look to wear with like something super like tight and sleek underneath, like a pair of tight jeans or a little mini dress or a pair of leather pants and a little crop top, and then to throw over something like this I think is really cute. I have a friend's birthday dinner this weekend and I think I'm going to be wearing this jacket, so I will be able to show you guys how I style it. So be sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not following me already, and on TikTok, because I'm going to be posting TikToks as well of me in all these outfits. So yeah, I love you guys all so much. Tomorrow I'm changing my hair. I know it's like this weird in between like reddish brown color right now, but tomorrow I'm going to be changing my hair, so stay tuned to see my hair change and go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But I love you guys and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.